Morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
Excellent. Okay, so we're going to have, someone who was at Gokul just messaged me that I was greeting Prasad. So today you're going to have a senior management professional by name Govind Kumar, and he's going to talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning, and our application for BCom and BBA students. So he's going to customize these for you guys. So just hold on. I think it's just joined.
Hey, hi Ravi, good morning. I have joined.
Hey, good morning. Go ahead. One moment. Chit. Okay, so warm welcome to all of you once again. And good morning, Pallavi ma'am. Morning, Pallavi ma'am. So a quick introduction to Govind sir, who's kindly agreed to deliver this 1 hour session for Anish College. So Govind has done his BTech Chemical Engineering from Anna University, and then his MBA Marketing Operations at Bharatidasan Institute of Management, Tiruchirappalli. After which he's actually worked with Bharti Airtel Limited, HP, and presently is a founder and director for Seaport AI, which is an artificial intelligence machine learning company based out of Chennai. He has 2 decades of rich experience. He's an expert in artificial intelligence, analytics, and automation. Started and successfully managing Seaport AI for the last 3 years, and launched machine learning based products, acquired customers across the globe, and among the top 20 AI startups for 2019. Govind also led a highly successful warranty cost transformation program that improved the competitiveness of HP's PC business in Asia Pacific and Japan between 2013 and 16. He has won global awards for quality, customer experience, and leadership excellence, and has managed large teams and multicultural and multinational teams. So thanks a lot, Govind sir, for agreeing to deliver the session for Anish College students. We have, I think, around 78 to 80 students, ready to gobble all of your knowledge.
Sure. Thanks, Ravi. Thank you.
I'll just pass it over to you. One moment.
Sure. Okay, good morning and a very warm welcome to this session. Anish College professors and students, right? I know you are all, BCom and BBA students. So I'll try to give examples related to that. But before that, okay, I just want to say one thing, right? Let's keep this session interactive. Okay. If you have any questions, you can, unmute yourself and ask, or you can put it in the chat window also. Okay. If you see, there is a chat option available. Okay. So you can use the chat option also to ask the questions. So feel free. Okay, let's make it interactive. That's very important, right? So let me share. Good morning. Right. So let me just bring it up. Okay, so good morning once again. A very warm welcome.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. So this is a
Sir, good
webinar
morning.
that is conducted jointly by Sai Equity and Seaport AI. Okay. Before I start off, I just want to ask all of you, what is AI? Do you know what is AI? Can anyone say that? Go ahead, take a shot. It's okay if you make mistakes. Yes, it is artificial intelligence, correct. But what is artificial intelligence?
Uh, Virtual reality comes under artificial intelligence.
Sorry?
Virtual intelligence, virtual reality.
Virtual reality, okay. What else?
Uh,
What else?
Developing the country to make sure in a place where we use more of technology and less of labor.
Okay. Anything else?
Programming computer with without human activities.
Anything else? Go ahead. Anyone else want to take a shot? Only 4 or 5 people have tried. Okay, there are close to about 85, 90 people, in this webinar. So tell me, what is it that you have heard? What is AI? Go ahead. Yes.
It's like humans creating a replica which is artificial.
Humans creating a replica that is artificial. Yeah. You're there to some extent. Anyone
It's
else want to try?
computerized intelligence.
Sorry?
It's computerized intelligence.
Computerized intelligence. Okay. That's close. That's close. Yeah. Anything else? Yes.
A fast growing tech intelligence.
It's providing tech intelligence. Okay.
The robots run by computers, sir.
Robots run by computers. Yes. I was expecting this answer. Right. Okay. Fine. Anything else? And what movie comes to your mind? Any movie that comes to your mind when you said robots?
Robot 2.2.
Robo.
Right. Robo 2.0, Rawan. Right. Yes. Yes. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So that's artificial intelligence for you. Let's see that what is artificial intelligence. Okay. So in this session, you're going to see what is artificial intelligence. Okay. I'll share some of the examples, And we will also talk about what are the opportunities that are there for you. Okay, why you should learn artificial intelligence, more importantly. Okay, so that is what we are going to see, in today's session. Okay, so let's get started. Before that, very quick introduction about Seaport AI. We are into analytics, automation, and augmented reality. I know Mr. Ravi gave a wonderful introduction, so I will not spend time on this. I will move straight to what is AI. Okay, AI is actually a computer software that thinks and acts like human beings. Okay, you all mentioned about a robo, right? That walks. But if you really see, it is actually a software powered device. Okay, it's a software powered device. At the core of it, it's a software. You can have a hardware, right? But what is it that is driving that particular hardware unit? It is nothing but a software. So here we are referring to a software that thinks and acts like human beings, right? That is our aim. It's a rapidly growing field, right? And the impact is already there everywhere. Can you give any example where AI is applied based on what you know? I will give the examples shortly. Anyone wants to give any examples where AI is applied?
Search engines.
Sorry?
Search engines. Google search engine.
Google search engines, okay. Okay, what else?
Suggestions.
Suggestions, good. Okay, in cars, that's correct, Gayatri.
Route maps.
Sorry? Maps,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Directions.
Directions, okay. What else? Anything related to your area? You're all BCom and BBA students, right? I'm very glad, you're all bringing some really nice examples. Any other example that you can think of? Any other examples you can think of? Only 3 or 4 people gave examples. Go ahead and give it. For business products, what do you mean by business products? What do you mean by business products? Okay. I will give you more examples. Okay. Artificial intelligence is used to predict diseases before it happens, right? It is like you have a two-wheeler or a car. If I come and tell you that in 3 months' time, your vehicle is going to have a breakdown, what will you do? If I come and tell you that in about 2 to 3 months' time, your vehicle is going to have a breakdown, what will you do?
We won't
Service.
Service. You will take it to the
Service.
Service.
right?
Yeah.
The same thing we will do if someone tells an individual that particular individual is going to have a heart disease or let's say a cancer. You will go and meet a doctor, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So that is what AI is doing. AI is telling before something happens. We are talking of predictability. Okay? It can predict diseases before they happen. Okay? Before something happens, it is able to predict. Someone mentioned about search engines, right? That's a good example, in fact,
Yes,
because when you watch a movie or listen to a song or you watch a comedy clip, right, in
Yes, sir.
YouTube or Facebook or any other app, right, for that matter, after a while it provides suggestions to you, right?
Yes,
After a
sir.
while it provides suggestions to you
Yes, sir.
based on your search history or also your browsing history, right? Or how many of you have done shopping in Flipkart or Amazon?
Yeah, online platforms. Yes, sir.
You have
Yes,
done,
sir.
right?
They
Yes,
keep on
sir.
suggestion.
Right? Yes. So if you see, you go and search for a product, right? After a while, you see that particular product search and similar recommendation is appearing in multiple places, right? Have you noticed it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You noticed it, right?
Yeah.
It
Yeah,
is
sir.
based, yes, it is based on what is called as recommendation system. It is recommending things for you. What is the technology, core technology behind it? It is nothing but artificial intelligence. Okay? The core technology behind that is artificial intelligence. How many of you use your face to open your mobile? Rajalakshmi has raised her hand. Who else?
Nowadays, every phone has a face unlock, sir.
Now every phone has got a face on. That is a good answer. I was expecting it, right?
Yeah.
So that is good, right? But if you really see once upon a time, how will people lock or,
Pattern or pin.
pin,
Next,
right?
next
Or
fingerprint.
fingerprint.
Now,
Yes, sir. These days, door locks also have become very smart. Like you can use a
Door locks also
RFID card.
have become, right?
Yeah, you can use a RFID card or fingerprint.
Correct, correct. See, the RFID card, that is different, right? Understand that. See, there you are using an access card,
Yes.
but here you are talking about a face
facial
detect-
recognition.
right? But our people, when this was getting developed,
Sensor techniques.
sorry,
Sensor techniques, sir.
yeah, correct. But when this was getting developed, right? Our people are smarter, right? First, they
Yes, sir.
only did face detection,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yeah,
Suppose,
sir.
let's say I have to gain access to a room, okay, where I have to use face detection. People used to just put a face, just take a photo and show it near the camera. The camera is detecting the face and it will let you in. You
Yeah,
are
sir.
actually cheating the system, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
You are supposed to show your face. Instead of that, you are showing just a photo. Now you know what is happening. The system is actually waiting for your blink, eye blink. You can no longer cheat,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
So that is an advancement that has happened. And if you see that, the core technology behind all of that is AI based, right? The
Yeah,
core
sir.
technology that has led to this is your AI, okay?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right? So in all these things, predictability is there. Now, if I come and tell, okay, let me ask this question. How many hours you typically study in a day after your college? You don't study? Maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes?
Yeah, 10 minutes, sir.
10 minutes you study, okay.
Yeah.
And just before the exam, 1 week before the exam, how
Come
many hours?
on. Come on.
1 week before the exam, how many hours you will study?
24/7.
24/7, huh?
Yeah.
Overnight, sir.
Overnight, okay. Now, if I tell you that I can predict the number of marks you can get in the exam based on the number of hours you study. how will it be? I can actually predict the number of marks an individual can get based on the number of hours you study. That is possible. It's already started to happen. Right?
No.
So now in future, it is not just about your teacher coming and telling, study well. Your teacher will probably tell in future, okay, when I say future, not very far off. My AI system is telling you are going to fail in the exam. What do you plan to do? Right? To that level, AI is developing. Okay. It is not far off. The technology that I am talking about, it's not far off where it can tell approximately how much marks, or at least it can tell a range. You can get only 40 to 50. You're going to get 50 to 60. Right? So I'm able to predict even before your exams. So what are the traits of a class topper? When you walk into a class, okay, let's say you are all in first year, right? This is the first week in the class, right? First 1 or 2 weeks. You have formed friends, you are observing people. But all of you can predict who is likely to be the class topper, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You all
sir.
can predict, right?
Yeah.
Within 2 weeks of interaction, you all are able to predict, or you're able to guess this guy or this girl is likely to be the class topper.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
How do you say that?
Yes, sir.
How do you say that?
By the body language,
Correct.
speaking,
What
way
else?
of speaking.
Way of speaking. What else?
They answer to every question asked by the teacher.
Very good. Probably comes to school, college on time. Right?
Yeah.
So you are
Neat dressing.
the way, I mean, not necessarily, right? I think that's an old school of thought, right?
Yes.
But fine, let's include for that matter the way the person dress and all that, right? So you are guessing. So it is this. What is that? It is human intelligence, right? You have observed so many people in your life, and you are using that knowledge to predict. So it is that same knowledge you are going to transfer to software. Okay, and there is a method, and that method is called as machine learning. Right? Without anyone telling you, without anyone teaching you, you have all learned how to identify a topper in a class. Right? You have all identified. So it is that same learning that we are going to teach to the software, so that the software can also identify which student is likely to be. Use the word what I'm using. I'm not saying with certainty that this individual is going to be the topper. I'm saying this individual is likely to be a topper. Clear? Are you all understanding what is AI?
Yes, sir.
So AI is about the software. AI is about predicting something before it happens. AI is about bringing human intelligence into a piece of software. Right? Is it not human intelligence that you are identifying a topper in a class? Right? And similarly,
Yes, sir.
similarly, AI is used to predict fraud. What is fraud? Can you tell me? What is fraud?
In online market, sir.
In anything.
in anything. Stealing money,
Stealing money,
then cheating.
cheating.
Supplying damaged products.
Sorry.
Supplying damaged products.
Supplying damaged products, right?
Illegal.
Or they can, if let's say you are buying a, say a mobile, okay? It's a Samsung mobile. It's a Samsung mobile. And that Samsung mobile, let's say instead of Samsung, I give some other product, but only the sticker I put it as Samsung.
Yes, sir.
That's fraud, right?
Yes.
What else?
Illegal businessing, sir.
Illegal businesses, then
Hacking account.
Cybercrime.
cybercrime. Yeah, cybercrime. Yes. But there is
Cheating on the products.
cheating on products, but nobody mentions what happens in a college, you know?
College.
Yeah.
Extra fees.
Sorry?
Extra fees.
Well, let's not go into that. What about exams?
Exams. Online exams.
Online exams. Okay, good. But previously you were writing paper-based, right?
Yeah.
Right? That's
Yes,
also
sir.
fraud.
I heard a news that some IPS student cheating on online classes, online exams.
Yeah. So if can AI be used to detect fraud? Yes. AI is copying, right? AI is increasingly used to detect fraud. Okay. Some frauds are caught, some frauds could not be caught, right? Because the system is evolving. Okay. System is evolving. Right? So as you can see here, this kind of AI is already there. We are not talking of a technology that is going to come in 10 years from now or 5 years from now. We are talking about a technology that is already impacting us. Okay, we are not talking of a futuristic technology. We are talking of a technology that is already impacting us. Right? You have a list of transactions, right? Debit and credits. Can you find suspicious transactions?
Yeah, sir.
You're all commerce students, right?
Yes, sir.
You have the books of accounts of a company, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sir.
There are lakhs and lakhs of transactions. How will you find out which is a suspicious transaction? Is it humanly possible, first of all, if you have lakhs and lakhs of transactions? You tell me, how will you go about finding a suspicious transaction? You're all commerce students, right?
Yes, sir.
How will you find a suspicious transaction? You have to do a lot of checks and balances, right? You have to take one transaction, you have to study, you have to follow the trail, and only then you can find out. That is a very laborious process, right? If let's say someone claims, that organization claims, I have bought a computer for say 30,000 rupees. Okay, you will say, can you show me a proof? Okay, they produce a receipt. Okay, you have seen the receipt. Now where is the computer? Go and check, right? So like this, there are different ways of identifying suspicious transactions in the books of accounts of an organization, right? Here, instead of a human doing it, because it is not possible, if there are lakhs and lakhs of transactions, it is very difficult to find out. So AI will help you to proactively identify suspicious transactions. Is it not interesting? Is it not helpful?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So that is where AI is helping. Okay. It is even, today AI systems are being attempted. Can I identify an individual who is, say, copying in an exam or doing some malpractice? To that extent, AI is developed. It is only going to increase from now. Okay. Any questions? Do you all understand what is AI?
Yes, sir.
If someone asks you what is AI, what will you say?
Exact definition.
If someone asks you, you say that I attended a webinar. Okay. What will you say as what is AI? Come on, take a shot. AI is about bringing human technology in a piece of software. That is why it is called as artificial intelligence. We all have intelligence, right? Whether it is high or low, we have some level of intelligence, all of us. Right? We are going to bring that human intelligence in a piece of software. So AI is computer software that thinks and acts like human beings. Okay? That is AI for you. AI is a computer software that thinks and acts like human beings. Okay? Are you all clear? Are you all clear
Yes,
as to
sir.
what is
So,
AI?
Yes, sir.
Right? If someone asks you what is AI, be very clear. AI is a computer software that thinks and acts like human beings. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
And what you see in movies, that is also AI. Right? Robo movie, Raw 1. Many English movies they are showing, right? They are showing human-like robots, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir.
But if you really see, it is all powered by a software. Okay?
Okay,
It
sir.
is all powered by software. It is the software that is driving artificial intelligence. Okay? Clear?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Now, if you see this, this is the World Economic Forum report. Okay. What it says is, in future, more jobs will be created related to AI. Okay. The old type of jobs, they will still be there, but the number of such jobs will be fewer. Jobs like data entry, accounting, administrative, right? Bookkeeping, auditors, that all related to your field, right? The number of such jobs will become fewer. It's not that it's going to go away. Okay? The number of such jobs will become fewer and more jobs will be created related to AI. So data science and AI are the future of business and jobs. Okay? So students who gain an understanding obviously stand to gain in future. You are either going to be a practitioner of AI or an end user. What is this? What do you mean by a practitioner? You are actually going to do software coding. right?
Yeah, sir.
You are either going to code or you are going to use a piece of software someone has developed. Okay, either way, you all must learn AI. So please keep this at the back of your mind,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yeah,
Because
sir.
because the future belongs. Don't think that you have to do programming. You don't need to do programming, but just learn the technology. Okay, that understanding of technology will help you immensely to go forward. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. So let's see some examples. Okay, just 1 minute. What are other examples? Do you use voice prompts? Do you use Google Assistant?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah,
How
sir.
many of you use Google Assistant?
Everybody, sir.
Okay. If your Google Assistant, okay, anyone doesn't use Google Assistant, let me ask the question. Can you please raise your hand?
I use Alexa, sir.
Use Alexa. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Anyone uses Siri?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I use that also.
Use that also, right?
Yeah.
So anyone here who does not use Siri or Alexa or Google Assistant? Anyone here who does not use any of the three?
I don't use anything, sir.
You don't use anything.
No,
So
sir.
what I suggest, after this class, go ahead and see, right? Go ahead and see, because it is all AI in action. All that you ask is, you ask, will it rain today? You are asking. What is the software doing? It is converting whatever you have asked into text. Then it uses the text to go and search in Google. It gets the output. And then whatever text it has got, it converts it back into voice. So what is the technology behind it?
AI.
Artificial
AI,
intelligence.
right? So understand this. You're
Yes.
already using it,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
How many of you play computer games here?
Yes. Xbox.
Right. I'm asking who all play computer games?
Sir.
Yes, sir. I will. I will.
I will, sir.
I will,
Okay.
sir.
Computer, Xbox.
Anyone who doesn't play computer games?
Yes, 4.
Anyone who doesn't play computer games? Anyone who doesn't play computer games?
Sir, I doesn't play computer games.
You don't play computer games. Okay. Nothing to worry, right? I just wanted to find out. The reason I asked is, computer games by nature, they don't use AI, but they are now bringing in AI because there are a lot of images to be processed, a lot of graphics. Okay. So they are making it intuitive, right? How does the computer game operate? It will start with medium level difficulty, right? Based on how much you score, it will automatically increase the difficulty, right?
Yeah, sir.
So that is again AI, right? So see how it is touching our lives in multiple ways. How many of you have heard driverless cars?
No.
I heard,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Tesla.
Tesla, right?
Yeah. Tesla.
Few of you have heard. Now that is what is being researched.
Yeah.
Okay. What it will do is, no need for a driver.
It'll automatically drive by lines using cameras.
Using cameras, what is known as computer vision.
Yeah.
Can you see here? It tells what is the angle in which this object is there, what is the distance. Okay. It can even make a distinction between whether it is a moving object or a stationary object. This is a stationary object, right? Someone has parked the vehicle. This is a moving object. This is a moving object. An individual is crossing the street. Okay. What is the technology that is happening, driving it? It is AI. Although, in India, it is very difficult, right? Because people don't follow the rules and all that. But day is not far off where driverless cars can come into being in India. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you all understand driverless cars is the ultimate example in AI. If someone asks you what is the best example for AI in action, it is driverless cars. Because it is so difficult to think, right? A car being driven without the need for a driver. Right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So this is a wonderful example for AI in action. Right? Let's see some more examples. How do you think it is used in agriculture? Do you think AI can be used in agriculture?
Yes.
How? Where?
Climate based on climate changes. We can use on climate change.
Okay. What else?
Cutting the field.
Okay. What else? What else?
Harvesting.
Harvesting, yeah. What is harvesting in that?
Poor plant nutrition on farms.
Okay. What else? Tell me, what else? What is the most important problem in agriculture?
Water.
Okay. Apart from that?
Pesticide.
Pesticide. What? Apart from that?
Electricity.
Electricity. What else? See, ultimately, the farmers are worried about fertility of soil. Yes. Farmers are basically worried about how much yield I will get. What is yield? What is yield?
The final
Output.
output. Yeah.
Like production, right? Like rice production, paddy cultivation, right? Productivity. Now, that is what, if I am a farmer, I am most worried about. But what are the things that will improve my productivity? Like you all said, water, weather, the day on which I plant the seed, that is also important, no? How much my soil productivity, how good is my soil? How much fertilizer I need to put is also important, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Quantity.
Sorry?
Quantity.
Yes, that is quantity. What are the 3 fertilizers you will put? Any of you remember it? Nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. I need to mix it in the right quantity. So AI can help determine all of that. Okay. AI can help determine all of that. Clear? It can also help you in financial area. For example, how many of you are interested in stock market?
Sir, I am.
You are.
Sir,
Right? Using AI,
I am, sir.
right? Using AI, you can predict which will be the best performing stock.
Yes, sir.
You can even predict what is going to be the Sensex tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right? Or
Yes, sir.
Nifty. AI is used. You can predict stock market performance. Right? Any examples related to your area can you think of now? I have given you so many examples. Before I give, you tell me what are the examples that you can think of related to accounting. What is the example I can think of related to accounting?
Tally softwares.
Tally software is just a software program. No, that is software. But this is artificial intelligence. It is predicting. Correct. Very good. That is, Akila has given a good answer. You can forecast profit and loss. Very good example, Akila. That's what I was thinking about. You can, for an organization, you can predict how much sales they will do. Right? You can predict what will be the outcome. Clear? You can predict whether this company will be profitable or not. You can predict what will be the sales. Right? How many of you know what is EBITDA? Have you been taught already? What is EBITDA? Earning before depreciation, interest, taxes, amortization, right? That is like profit, okay? So I can predict all of that. That is a big, big help, right? If you're doing an organization. And many of the repetitive tasks, you have to prepare a lot of reports, right? If you're an auditor, or if you're doing books of accounts, you're managing the accounts, you have to prepare a lot of reports, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So all of that can be automated. Okay, so you can focus on more value adding activities, right? I think that forecasting sales, forecasting profit and loss are very good examples of AI, right? Imagine how much beneficial it is. At the start of the year, you tell the organization is likely to incur a loss. So the organization can take action to turn loss into a profit, right? Yes or no? If let's say you are investing, say 1,000 rupees in a stock, or let's say you got 1,000 rupees, or let's say take 10 lakhs, you've suddenly got you won a, what do I say, lottery, right? You won a lottery for 10 lakhs. You decide that out of 10 lakhs, you're going to buy a good bike. Okay, a high-end bike you will buy, 2 lakhs. The remaining 8 lakhs, you say that I will invest for my future, right? 2 lakhs you have bought a vehicle. right? Today, bikes are available for 2 lakhs, right? Even costlier than that. So remaining 8 lakhs is there. Where will you put your 8 lakhs? Is it fixed deposit? Is it government bonds? Or is it stock market? Where will you put it?
If I were there, I'll put some amount, sir.
You will
Different
put
kind of.
very good, very good.
Different types.
So how will you decide how much you will put into what?
Depends, sir. It's if share
Depends on
market is
what?
increasing.
You will
So,
study that,
yeah.
right? You all understood this example?
Yes, sir.
You got 10 lakhs lottery. You all won 10 lakhs lottery. You say that, boss, don't come and talk about investment now. I want to enjoy life. Okay, go spend 2 lakhs in buying a good high-end bike. So you got remaining 8 lakhs. You also need to worry about your future, right? So you're going and investing 8 lakhs. As someone just said, it's a very good answer. I will put 8 lakhs. What is the lesson? I'm sure you all would have learnt it. Don't put all the eggs in one basket.
Yes, sir.
They have taught it to you, right?
Yeah.
So you split. Say 3 lakhs you put in stock market. 3 lakhs you put in government bond. 2 lakhs you put in
Fixed deposit.
Right?
Yeah.
So you are splitting it. What is the ratio in which I need to split? AI can help so that you get maximum returns. Your father suddenly comes and tells you, okay, why are you investing in all this? Go and invest in land. Land is what will give you a lot of returns.
Yes, sir.
Right?
But it is very big investment, right?
Yeah, you can buy small thing also, right? Outskirts land is available, right? Small parcel of land is available for few lakhs.
Sir, we can even invest in gold also.
You can even invest in gold. Very good. So there is gold, right? Your mother will come and tell, why are you wasting your money in stock market and land? Go and buy in gold.
Jewelry.
Right? So 8 lakhs is competing for 5 things. What are the 5 things? Gold, land, stock market, government bond, FD.
Fixed deposit.
So 5 things. If you will have to make a decision, right? Instead of using emotion, you should not become emotional in money, right? That is one of the important things. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? You all should not become emotional with money. You need to be objective. What is objective? I use data to decide. Is it good or not? Based on the past performance of the returns, I will decide. There AI can help you. If you decide that I want to please everyone, okay, my mother is important, father is important, my interest is also important. So some gold I'll buy, some land I will buy, something I'll put in FD, something I'll put in stock. AI can help determine how much I will put into each of that. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
You all understand where AI is playing a role now?
Yes, sir.
Right? So AI is about a computer software that thinks and acts like human beings. It's about human intelligence. We are bringing that human intelligence into a piece of software. Right? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions you have?
Disadvantages of AI.
What are the disadvantages of AI? There's nothing big, it is like, it is helping us, right, to improve. At the end of the day, it is human beings who design AI, right? There aren't any obvious disadvantages. Maybe it can make you lazy.
Even if we don't have access to internet, we cannot use it.
Correct.
For example, only few.
Right, you are right. If you don't have access to internet and all that, it is difficult to use. Correct. You need internet, you need a software, you need a PC, mobile and all that. Yes. Any other questions? Any other questions? We are almost coming to the end of the session. Any questions? Okay. If there aren't any questions, I will hand it back to Mr. Ravi and the team.
Thank you so much, Govind.
Yes.
So what we normally do is just before we end, we take a snap of all the participants. So may I request you and everyone to enable your cams? I'll just take a screenshot so that we can share it with everyone. Yeah, guys, please enable your cams. Okay. That is Govind. Okay. Great. Great. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Then again, thank you so much, Govind, for taking your valuable time and sharing your perspectives with Anish College students. I think I should say the students are pretty lucky. At least the last month and this month, we've actually done this. Today, I think it's the third session, and this week, tomorrow and day after also, they're going through 2 other sessions where Prasad, who's the other senior management person who's helping them, guiding them in terms of sharpening their resume and interview skills, apart from group discussion, etc.
Sure.
So I think this perspective of what AI and how exactly the application is specific to BCom BBA for sure would be very insightful for all the students. So I think on behalf of Pallavi ma'am and Pallavi ma'am, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you, Govind sir, for sharing your information with the students.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
They interacted very well. They are enthusiastic. From niche management, you are very happy to have sessions and associated with Satyasai team. Thank you very much, Ravi sir.
Most welcome, ma'am. Thank you so much. So guys, I think let's meet up tomorrow morning, same time. We'll have the penultimate session from Prasad. So Tuesday, Wednesday, we have 2 sessions, and we end. I think there are one more session, right? September 5th, Pallavi ma'am, on the social media. Yeah, social media management. So there's one more session for you guys. Great.
Your
So
speakers, website, and social media presentation.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes. Pallavi ma'am, thank you. Thank you so much, Govind sir again. And thank you guys for joining today.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.